Hi there, thanks for joining me on Wendy's World. Have you ever thought to yourself that you would love to have nice, full, sexy lips, but goddamn, the thought of needles. Well, I can teach you how to get this naturally. Stay tuned.
And I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening to that jackass bray.
I'm not a fan of those lip injections. You know, that plump look. You always know that a girl's got lip injections. But we can try this wonderful, safe, natural method. Go grab some cinnamon, coconut oil, small bowl, spoon, and a couple of Q-tips, and away we go. You know, I love creating this mixture because you know exactly what goes into it. Go grab your coconut oil. Go grab an extra spoon just in case. Take about a half spoonful. Put it into your bowl. Now take about this much cinnamon, not too much. Put it in your bowl, mix it up, get a really nice consistency going after a few swirls. There you have it. You're ready to go. So I'm back. Clean off your lips with the mixture that we just created. Take a little of it. Soak your Q-tip. Put the mixture around your lips. Let it sit on your lip for about 2 minutes. You're going to start noticing your lips swell due to the cinnamon. That actually kind of looks like a nice lip gloss, huh? Okay. We'll be right back with nice plumper lips. I've cleaned off my lips and you can see that they are a little puffier already. I'm going to start with cleaning up the outside of my lip area with some powder. And then I have this wonderful lipstick called Cinnamon Toast, and I use that as the base to my look. I'll then use NYX lip gloss, and the color that I have is called Butter Gloss. I chose a color that was slightly lighter than my actual lip color. I put it on top. I'll then line my lips, again also with NYX, with a lip liner. I don't like a real hard line, so I'll soften it slightly. Now, if I really want to dial up the glam, I use Minty Tint by Victoria's Secret. Love this product. I'll take a brush and I'll apply some of it right in this area. How easy was that? Nice, sexy lips for the evening. Thanks so much for joining me on Wendy's World, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.